Hello guys! Today we are going to learn about singular and plural. Examples: apple, apples; hat, hats; toy, toys; book, books; dog, dogs. So friends, nouns ending in s, x, ch, sh, and es. Examples: box, boxes; bus, buses; torch, torches; brush, brushes. In some words, we change y to ies. Lady, ladies; baby, babies. Now, by changing FISE to VES, loaf, loaves; leaves, leaves; knife, knives. Words ending with O change to OES. For examples: mango, mangoes; tomato, tomatoes. In some words, the whole word is changed. Child, children; man, men; woman, women; foot, feet; mouse, mice; goose, geese; ox, oxen; tooth, teeth. There are some words which have no change. Sheep, sheep; deer, deer; fish, fish; hare, hare. If you enjoyed the video, like, share and subscribe.